Ayaz Amir is a journalist and a columnist for Dunya news in Pakistan. Joins me now live from Lahore. Good to have you with us. So Nawaz Sharif is safe in his job for now. Can you tell me what's been the reaction to the ruling? Is it a surprise that it was a split ruling?
Well, before this ruling, expectations were very high. There was suspense in the country. People were waiting with bated breath as to what the judges would say. The ruling party, Nawaz Sharif's party, that is overjoyed, saying its stance has been vindicated and nothing has come up against him. But many people are disappointed. I mean, many people had pinned their hopes that the axe would fall on him and he would be dismissed or disqualified. Now, that hasn't happened. He's just been saved. I mean, it's been touch and go for him. He's been saved by a whisker. Two judges went against him, said that he deserved to be disqualified, that he was guilty of misstatements, of lies, of not coming up with any proper explanation. But three judges say that it calls for further investigation, and they say a joint team will submit a report within 60 days. The only thing is that people don't pin too high hopes on such investigations in Pakistan. And they say that over the last 70 years, since the country's finding, no such team, no such commission has ever come up with anything worthwhile or substantial. So many people tend to think, and many in the ruling party, that the issue has been brushed under the carpet and the Prime Minister has been saved. There are moral questions about him. The allegations remain. He and his lawyers haven't been able to come up with any credible defense. There's no explanation except two mysterious letters from a very mysterious Qatari prince, and that's it, which the court says, I mean, really can't be admitted. But his job is saved. And in Pakistan, that's the main thing.
But as you say, Ayaz, the allegations are still there and there is still a further investigation. How damaging is this for the government, and how could this be used by opponents like Imran Khan?
Well, I mean, Imran Khan, this is already, I mean, the election season is starting in Pakistan. Elections are scheduled for next year. He's already been mounting a campaign against the Prime Minister, and this will be his main card, and he'll cite the judgment of the two judges who've gone against the Prime Minister that, look here, they've declared him to be untruthful. They've said he's a liar. He hasn't come up with different. So that will be their election card. But he remains in office. He remains in power, and as I said, in Pakistan, that is the main thing. He hasn't been thrown out, as he would have been if only one more judge had gone the other side. So it's been really a very thin one. I mean, it's really been by the skin of his teeth that he's been saved. But he's in office, and moral things, I mean, moral charges are there against so many leaders. It's good as a talking point, but in practical terms, a moral cloud over you is neither here nor there. I mean, these things people take in their stride. But as you say, the allegations remain. The investigation will take place, but people don't put much hope in such commissions. And it will be composed of officials from agencies that, except for the two military agencies, are under the Prime Minister. So people don't expect too much from this joint investigation.
Great to speak with you, Ayaz. Thank you very much indeed. Ayaz Amir speaking to us live from Lahore there.